If you have a fixed phone line, you may have experienced problems with the copper telephone line. Interrupted calls, noisy reception, does not work when it's raining, etc. You call your phone company and they showed up and installed a fiber optic connection using your internet modem. The phone communication improved dramatically, but something unexpected happened. In case of a power blackout, besides not having electricity, you will not be able to make any phone calls. This is because the fiber optic connection will stop working. Another annoying fact, during a blackout, every time you use your cell phone to send messages through WhatsApp or to surf the web, since your modem is not available, you will be charged for sending data. I want to illustrate two possible solutions. One of them is a low-cost option, but you will need some basic knowledge to put together a small circuit. The other solution is a little bit more costly, but you would not need any electric skills whatsoever. The low-cost solution is to use a carefree battery to keep the modem up and running, thereby eliminating call interruption during a power outage. All you have to do is buy a sealed lead-acid battery and project box of appropriate size to house the battery, the only component in the device. Before showing this project in more detail, we will say that the easy way is by buying a computer interrupted power supply. You simply plug the UPS to your normal power outlet and then plug your modem to the UPS outlet. Whenever there is a blackout, the UPS will start working and your modem will stay alive and kicking. Now, in order to build the low-cost project, we must first check our modem, making sure it works on 12 volts DC. Then we must buy a sealed 12 volt battery and place it inside a properly sized project box. The next step is to disconnect the modem's power source from your outlet and cut the cable approximately in half. Then we must make a couple of holes in the project box in order to pass the wires through. Next, we peel the cables and rejoin them by their collars. Then, by plugging the modem's power source to your outlet and using a voltmeter, check which cable is positive and which is negative. Usually red indicates positive. Unplug the power supply. Now connect the sealed 12 volt battery in parallel with the cables we just rejoined, making sure the polarities match. Again, red is positive. Polarity is very important. And put some electrical tape on the terminals to avoid unwanted shorting. The battery can be held in place by applying some silicone. Next, plug the modem's power source again and turn modem on. The modem should behave normally and we can make phone calls. You can now test your circuit. In the middle of a phone call, unplug the power source from the power outlet. The modem should stay on and the call will not be interrupted. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.